Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be picking the Master Lock 410 Lotto. Here's the key bidding, the keyway. I like to attack these with two picks. I like the Euro profile to hit the lower pins, but I can't reach the higher ones, so steep hook and 15 thousandths for the higher cut pins. Oh, yeah, it does look okay. Tried to shoot this video last night and it didn't work out. It's either me or the lock was camera shy. Let's see what we can do today. Alright, 25 thousandths with the 40 thousandths pry bar. Okay, one is loose. Alright. Gotta click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, it's set. Click out of 5. 6 put me into a false set. Let's see about 1. Alright, one to give me counter rotation. Alright, that one is good. Go through the stack checking. Alright, let's see if we can't get the higher. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 put me into a deeper false set. Alright, got counter rotation on 6. Alright, got her open. Now, these are really fun locks. Super light, doesn't take up too much room. I think it's really good practice lock. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys. Have fun. Stay safe.